Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Firepower Threat Defense series. In this video, we are going to look at tunnel zone stuff in pre-filter policy. So with the help of pre-filter policy, you can assign a zone, which is a special kind of zone known as tunnel zone, to your traffic, which is inside the unencrypted tunnel, like inside the GRE. So let's jump onto the FMC without a delay. So here I have jumped onto the FMC. First, let's see where you create the tunnel zone. Go to objects and object management. Here, if you go down, there is an option. You see tunnel zone. I already have two tunnel zone created, GRE point 1 and GRE point 2. Okay, in order to create additional tunnel zones, you can click on add tunnel zone and just give it a name because tunnel zone is just a name. Okay, it's like a tag that you can apply to tunnel traffic. Like we saw in Palo Alto's tunnel inspection policies, you can assign a zone to the tunnel traffic. Similarly here, but a bit different. Okay, so that's how you can create a tunnel zone. Now, where do you use that? Use this tunnel zone, or how do you utilize this tunnel zone? Okay, so go to policies, go to pre-filter. Now, I'm going to create a pre-filter policy. I'm going to say whatever traffic comes from a specific tunnel, put it to this zone. Okay, so I'll say add tunnel rule, and let's say zone tunnel zone assignment tunnel. I would say tunnel zone. Okay. For this zone to be applied, your action should be analyzed. By default, action is also analyzed, but you cannot align a zone in there. So let's select a tunnel zone. Let's use the our created zone, or yeah, let's take our created zone, which is tunnel zone. Now there are two important options: match tunnels only from source or match tunnels from source and destination. What this first option will do, whenever your traffic will flow from source interface to destination interface and source endpoint to destination endpoint, it will put that traffic in that zone. That's it. Okay. When it is initiated, basically, I should use the right term. When it is initiated from this zone and this tunnel and specific source tunnel endpoint, then it will be a map to this zone. Okay. If other end of the connection initiates the connection with the first option, then it won't be put to this zone. That's what it is. And if you want to match the tunnels from source and destination, basically vice versa, if it's initiated from inside and going to outside from a specific tunnel and then put in this zone. Also, the return traffic, basically, if it is not the return traffic, basically, if it is initiated from the other end of the tunnel, then it should also assign to the same zone. You can use, in that case, this stuff. Okay. I'm going to do match the both, basically. I just want to not create two rules. I just want to create one rule and keep it matched to one zone. Tunnel endpoints. Let's add our tunnel endpoints. 10.0.0.2, which is our this router R14, and then R11 is 192.168.253.150. Add it. Add it. Now encapsulation is GRE. Do you want to log the traffic? No, you cannot log the traffic because now it's gonna the traffic which will be logged is the traffic which is inside the tunnel. So now let's check the settings and hit the add button. Okay, my rule is created, and whether the traffic comes from this point to this point, it will be tagged as tunnel zone. The source zone will be tagged as tunnel zone, or whether it goes from here to here, the source zone will still tagged as tunnel zone. Let's save it. And once it is saved without a delay, deploy the policies. Yeah, before I deploy the policies, let me just also allow this traffic from this zone to pass to other zone. I want to deploy it, one time instead of deploying it multiple times. So I'll go here. I'll create an access control rule as well because I'm now analyzing the traffic. I'm not bypassing it. So I need, yeah, let's me redo that. Uh, Let's put it on the top above rule number one. And I will say tunnel zone, sorry, typo, uh, tunnel zone traffic. Okay. I would say it will be coming from tunnel zone. Okay. Source zone will be tunnel zone, irrespective of what this initiates the traffic or this end initiates the traffic as per our settings, because we have said match from source and destination, both would source to destination as well as destination to source. But if you select the first option in the pre-filter policy, then it is only source to destination mapping. Okay. Networks. What I want to allow, what traffic I want to allow. I want to allow 172.16 basically 16.255.1. Let me do it. And then also two, just to allow the, both directions of the traffic. I'll say two and I'll say one. Yeah, that's fine. One. All the services are allowed. I don't want to do any other filtering. And yeah, I want to do a specific inspection log at the end of the connection. Add the rule, put it here, comment, say tunnel zone rule. Hit OK. So now our access control rule has gone in. A rule with name. Okay. Fine. I think. Let me just add something to it. Test. Actually, there was a rule. I deleted it and did not apply the call policies. So probably that's why the rule is already present. I'll just hit this way and we'll hit save. Ah. As soon as it is finished saving, we'll just go and deploy the policies. Deploy, deploy. Come on, quickly show me the device and deploy. Let's wait for the deployment to finish and then we will do ping pong from here to here and see. I will just launch in this R14 as well till then and make it a bit clear, guys. Just one second. Change settings, appearance. I'm changing the appearance so everyone can see 14. I'll make it 16. Okay, perfect. So that's how it will look like. I'm waiting for deployment to finish. Yeah, it's running. I'll pause the video while the deployment is happening. Okay, guys, so the deployment is now complete. Let's do a ping from here to outside. 72.16.255.2. And the ping works. Let me do show IP interface brief. Yes, here is this. Other end is ours. And now let's do a ping from other end to us as well. Let's do the appearance change here as well. 14 is fine. Okay. Come on, come on. Ping 172.16.255.1. Perfect. Both directions can ping each other. Oh, sorry. I just made a typo. Mm. Okay, now let's look at the logs. I will just close these two putty sessions. Close, go here. And now I want to see the unified events. They have recorded these events. I want to show you the source zone of the traffic. You will see as I selected both source to destination and destination to source, map it to the same zone. You will see the source zone always tunnel zone, irrespective of the direction of the traffic where it was sourced from due to selecting that other option. Ah, it's taking its sweet time. Query the database. Okay, it hasn't yet fetched the latest logs. Let's see if I can show you in the connection events because we are also logging it in the connection events when we created that tunnel zone rule. Oh, no. Not yet. So it is taking its sweet time. Let's try to change the time a bit and see. It's a bit slow. Okay. End time. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, it's now loading. It's very slow right now. Uh, you guys know the reason I'm running with limited number of resources. Yeah, this broadcast was blocked. It came from Tunnel Zone. It was a broadcast. But I am waiting for the ICMP traffic with the Tunnel Zone as the source zone. I think it will take some time for the logs to display. So I'll pause the video as soon as I have the logs. I'll share it. Okay, guys, I don't know why those ICMP logs haven't come, but after that, I did a search from both ends and I could see those logs are appearing as perfect. You see these ones? This is from our this R14 to R11. And if you will see the source ingress source zone, that will be tunnel zone. You see, ingress security zone is tunnel zone. So the pre-filter policy assigned it the tunnel zone, not the inside zone. Okay, the tunnel zone. Now let's look for the other traffic. You should also have, even if it came on the outside interface, which is in the outside zone, it will still have the tunnel zone because this traffic is also subjected to the same zone. You see, tunnel zone, and on what interface it came on? Outside. That's what I wanted to show you about. So that's it for this video. This was about how you can assign a zone. Basically, a zone is like a tag in this case to the unencrypted tunnel traffic, basically using the pre-filter policy. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video where we will start another topic. So have a good day and happy learning.